Now if your character has this style of eyes, then you can just keep things very simple. And all you have to do is just add 2 or 3 curved lines. And these are basically the eyelashes. Now you can instantly tell that these eyes now belong on a female character. Now if you want to give your character eyelids as well, then all you have to do on a female character is just add the eyelashes sticking out from the corners like this. Right, so I'm just going to move this to the corner so I can show you the next style of eyes. So the next thing we're going to draw is a variation of the oval eyes that we saw in the previous video. And what we're basically going to do is draw almond eyes instead. And these almond shaped eyes are actually very easy to draw. All you have to do is just draw a curved line on the top and another curved line below. And then just make sure that the corners are more pointy than the oval eyes. Now one big advantage of this style of eyes is that it makes drawing in the eyelashes very easy, because all you need to do is just follow that curved line on top and just make it thicker, and then add a point on the end. And this is a very simple way to draw eyelashes. And then I'm just going to draw in the pupils so you can see what they look like properly. Now if you want these eyes to be a little bit more detailed, then all you have to do is just add a few more eyelashes. And as you can see, it actually does add something to the eyes and makes them stand out more. Now I'm just going to make another copy of these eyes. And another thing you can actually do is when you draw these almond eyes, just draw them sloping downwards. So basically make sure that the inside corners are pointing downwards and the outside corners are pointing upwards. And again, this does actually look really good on female characters. Now the next style of eyes that I'm going to show you is an actual variation of the almond eyes. And all you have to do is just draw this curved line. And as you can see, it basically goes up on quite a steep angle, then it comes back down and then curves up again. And for the bottom eyelids, all you need to do is just draw another line coming down and then curving in on a straight angle. And as you can see, these two shapes together makes kind of a leaf shape. Then all I'm going to do next is just follow the top line and just make it thicker. So this is basically the eyelashes. And then I'll just add in a pupil here so you can see what it looks like properly. So another great thing you can do is just add another curved line above the eye. And this is basically the outline of the top eyelid. And you can draw it quite high like this, or quite close to the eye like this. So now I'm just going to show you what it would look like if the eyes were like slightly closed. So just draw a similar shape, but make sure that it is more squashed together, because the eye is actually half closed now. And then I'll just add in the pupil. And now because the eye is half closed, I can go ahead and draw the outline of the eyelid quite high up. And one benefit to this is you can actually add in color here on the eyelid and make it look like eyeshadow. And that always looks really good. And then just like the other eyes, if you want to add more detail to them, just add in a few more eyelashes, like this. Okay, so now I'm just going to move on to closed eyes. And all you have to do is literally just draw curved lines like this. So just 2 arches basically. And make sure that you draw these lines quite thick as well. Then just add in the shape of the eyelids above. And you do this with 2 big curved lines. and then just add in some extra eyelashes. And that is basically how you draw closed eyes. Now the next style of eyes I'm going to show you, I use all the time. So all you have to do is just draw a rectangle shape, but make sure that the two sides are actually slightly curved like this. And what I usually do here is just draw a thick line that goes along the top, then down one corner, and then along the bottom. And as you can see, I'm leaving one corner alone and not touching it. And that will basically be the shape of the eyeball. Now I'm just going to add the pupil. And then add a few more eyelashes. And I usually only add 3 or 4 eyelashes on top, and then 2 or 3 on the bottom. And next I'm just going to add in the shape of the eyelid. And with this style of eye, I usually have the eyelid going up quite high and into a point like this, and then just curving back downwards. And that's it, how to draw cartoon eyes on female characters. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and like I said at the beginning, this video is part of a playlist, so if you don't want to miss out on any of the videos coming up, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.